All right, so the goal of today is the dog is going to poop a lot. So the goal of today is, obviously we've got a lot of wind, so we're gonna see how we do with this much wind. Obviously my audio is going to be crap, and that's okay. There you go, you got 2 shots of a dog pooping. I just didn't want him to run off with me. Beautiful day though. There you go, good boy. Oh, you got a point. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Creep. Buck, hunt him up. Hunt him up. Hunt him up, Buck. That was embarrassing, but I got him. Buck, bring him here. Bring him here, Buck. Bring him here. Bring him here, Buck. Bring him here. Bring him here. Bring him here. Yeah. Bring him here. Bring him. So that's where that rooster kicked out of. Good boy. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Buck, come on. Come on. Hunt forward. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Always trust the dog's nosy. Good boy. Good boy. Oop. You got birdie for 1/10 of a second there. There's birdie. Easy, Buck. What you got? What you got, Buck? Come here. Come here, Buck. Come here, Buck. Come here. Buck, come here. He's really onto something. He wouldn't be smelling behind him, but I feel like this is where a bird's going to be, if there's going to be one in here. Come here, Buck. He is just locked. The wind is directly from his nose. Easy, Buck. Let's creep up. Come on. Good creep. Good creep. Good creep. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, let's creep up on him. Easy, 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 easy. Good boy. Good boy. Easy, buck. Easy. Too far. Oh, there he is. Okay. Good boy, buck. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, buck. Good boy. Good boy, buck. Good boy. You got him down? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, buck. Good boy. Good boy, buck. Good boy. You got him down? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, buck. Good boy. This is that rooster that we just got. Oh, that was a good shot. Good boy, buck. Drop. Drop, drop, drop. Give, give, give. Yeah. Drop, drop. What you got? Where is he? Where is he? He's pretty firm. It's a real firm point. Easy, buck. Easy, buck. Easy, easy, easy. Here, buck. I'm gonna call him off. Come here. Come on. Come here, buck. Come on. Whoa. Good whoa. Come here. Too far. Too far. Too far. Hey. There's the point. I said, figured there'd be one in here. Come here. Come here. Hey, too far up there. Hey, come back. Unless he's on one. There, he's on one. Come here, buck. No bird. No bird. They're just running. Buck. Probably on point now. Buck, come back. Buck, too far, too far, too far, too far. Come here. Oh, he's definitely on point. Shit. Yeah. Easy, buck. Easy. Easy. Yeah. Easy. Come on. Come on. Creep up in here, buck. Come on. There he is right there. Buck, come on. Can you see him? Get him, Buck, get him! Well, that was an embarrassing. He was so close, I didn't want him to go.